All right, Evelyn, I want you to help me unload. So we went back over to the parents' house and got sap today because that's how much we got. So I had to stop. You hold this. You get a view of everything that we're doing. So this is how much sap we got in each bucket in just a few days. So little floaties.
Is that bark?
I don't know what it is. So we'll pour it into our thing, but you can see how much sap we got in. We started this on Saturday. Today's Wednesday. We had 2 days of cold, and look how much we got. So about 9 gallons, 8 gallons of sap. Now what we need to do is get our burner going. This is just a turkey fryer. Doesn't feel like it's on right. There we go. This guy. Ready?
Backing up.
So we're getting the burner hot.
Come here! Hi! Hi! Look at all the sap! Look at all the sap!
Wow. How much are we gonna get this time?
What?
Much.
Hold this
Careful.
and do the camera.
No, we should get probably 2 quarts out of this. Probably in a couple days we'll have to get the next one, the next batch.
Wow.
Put it all in there.
Yeah. I don't know.
Let it get hot. So that's it. Let it get warm. Start boiling it down. Get this so it gets hot. Just keeping the lid on to try to get the heat back up because the sap is cold. What I also try to do is try to get some of the wood shavings or anything that happen to fall in.
Oh, so we can bet on them when you come back.
No, next year.
Should that happen?
Is that stuff sticky? Oh.
Isn't that something?
Now it has to reboil. The rocket ship blew up.
No, it didn't. I watched it.
No, it did.
I mean, it did. I turned it off.
It did.
Yeah, it blew up like 10, 15 minutes after it landed. 10 minutes after it landed.
It just blew right up.
Yeah, well, it had a fire going on, so they were dousing it with a bunch of sprinklers, and they stopped it. Hi. And all of a sudden it blew up.
Oh, no kidding. I watched it. It was pretty cool. I
I know.
I caught it just in time as it was coming down and flipped and landed.
Hunter check.
All right, so we're about an hour and a half in. We have 9 gallons of sap in there now. It's gonna be a little while. 7 o'clock. Still going strong. Maybe try to finish tonight. Might not. All right, now we have it down, and we're gonna pour it into this guy. So hopefully you guys can see it. Cheesecloth. Cheesecloth is there to try to filter out any impurities. Take that. Boom. And that's what we're remaining with. 9 gallons of sap. I'm just kind of monitoring the temperature by using this guy. So we're going to try it out, and you're going to have to bear with me as I finagle. We stick the probe in. We'll see where we're at. So 215, which is roughly the boiling point of water. And again, we have to hit 219 once we're ready for the end of. Once we're towards the end of getting down to a quart. But I am going to filter it here in a little bit. Try to get rid of the impurities. If you don't filter, then you will get crystals in your thing. So I'm actually using this to filter into a smaller pot. And the key is if you don't want to go above 219. Go above 219, you actually get crystallization in your syrup. So once we get to boil it down a little bit longer, then it should hopefully be better as we monitor the temperature. So 17.